It is 2 a.m. You are staring at your textbook, but the words are just floating on the page. I know that look. I used to sit exactly like you, pretending to study while the guilt ate me alive. You feel like you are running on a treadmill that is going too fast, exhausted but getting nowhere. See, the biggest lie is that smart students are just born different, that they have a biological edge you lack. But here's the truth. Success isn't about raw talent. It's not luck. It's systems. It is about replacing chaos with habits that do the heavy lifting for you. Let's stop working harder. Let's start working smarter. Habit 1. Daily planning. Most students wake up and ask, "What should I do today?" By the time you decide, your mental energy is gone. Think of your brain like a battery. Every decision drains it. Top students decide the night before. Pick 3 high-impact tasks, not 20. Instead of study math, say solve 10 problems on page 52. Specificity is the antidote to anxiety. When you have a map, you don't get lost. Habit 2. Active learning. Passive reading is a trap. Highlighting an entire page is just an illusion of competence. It's like watching someone else lift weights. You aren't getting stronger. You need the retrieval effect. Close the book, explain the concept to an empty room. If you can't explain it simply, you don't know it. It's harder work, but it makes exams feel like a walk in the park. Habit 3. Smart breaks. We have this weird obsession with the grind, but your brain is a sponge. Eventually, it gets saturated. You have to wring it out. Use the Pomodoro technique. 50 minutes of work, 10 minutes of rest. But a break isn't scrolling through your phone. That's just more noise. Step away. Stretch. Look out a window. Focus is a muscle. It needs recovery to grow. Habit 4. The environment. You can't sleep at a concert, so why study with a buzzing phone? Your environment is either an ally or a silent assassin. Clear the physical clutter to clear the mental clutter. Put your phone in another room, literally. When you enter a space dedicated to one thing, your brain switches to work mode automatically. Distraction is the enemy of depth. Habit 5. Daily reflection. The biggest mistake is repeating the same bad day forever. Before bed, spend 5 minutes looking at your progress. What worked? Where did you get stuck? This turns your mistakes into data. It turns experience into wisdom. Growth becomes intentional, not accidental. Success isn't a sprint. It's small steps, repeated daily. It's about showing up for yourself until the person you want to become is simply who you are. When you change your habits, you change your trajectory. The journey doesn't start next semester. It starts tonight. Close this video, reset your desk, write down your 3 tasks for tomorrow. Begin. If you're ready to learn faster and think clearer, subscribe and turn on notifications. The growth starts now.